Assalamualaikum, my name is Elinur Rarina bint Bahrain. My student ID is 202154749 and I'm from BA2432B. Today I would like to present about an analysis of corporate financial performance. So the introduction of the company is Comfort Rubber Glove was established in 1993 as a glove manufacturing section of Comfort Glove Berhad, previously known as Integrate Rubber Corporation Berhad, listed on the Malaysian Stock Exchange, which is Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. CRG facility in Taipei, Perak. CRG gloves are presently sold throughout North Korea, Oceania, the Middle East, Europe, South America, Africa, and Asia Pacific. So the mission is CRG Our Momentum will be aided by this important transaction, as well as a sustained focus on broadening its product portfolio to include surgical, clean room, and domestic glove. So the vision is, due to the synergy of dynamic team of visionaries, global expansion goals, and a desire to attain market leadership, CRG is poised to take on the future as a dominant player in the glove manufacturing sector worldwide. As we can see, this is the trend analysis for Comfort Rubber Glove Sedia Berhad, which is 4 years financial highlights from 2018 until 2021. So the introduction of the company for Supermax Corporation Berhad. Supermax Corporation Berhad is a world-class latex glove conglomerate listed on a main board of Bursa Malaysia Security Berhad. It is a significant international producer, distributor, and marketer of high-quality medical gloves. Presently supplied to over 160 countries, established a strong brand portfolio that includes Supermax, Aurelia, Maxter, and all of which are trusted and recognized. Supermax has 11 manufacturing facilities in Malaysia, including energy efficient biomass system and a research and development center. So as we can see, this is the trend analysis for Supermax Corporation Berhad, which is 4 years financial highlight from 2018 until 2021. So we will move on to the calculation and interpretation of the ratio. There are 4 types of ratio, such as liquidity ratio, activity ratio, debt ratio, and profitability ratio. The meaning of liquidity ratio is liquidity ratio measure the firm capability to pay off its short-term liabilities and expenses to meet the short-term obligation. Current ratio measure the company ability to pay its short-term liabilities, and the higher its ratio is better. So how to calculate the current ratio? Is current asset divided by current liabilities. The current ratio for Comfort Rubber Glove Sedia Berhad in 2018 is 2.62 times, in 2019 is 1.62 times, in 2020 is 1.76 times, and 2021 is 2.59 times. Meanwhile, the current ratio for Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 1.01 times, in 2019 in 1.05 times, in 2020 1.27 times, in 2021 is 2.39 times. The quick ratio is a ratio that assesses a company capacity to make short-term obligation without relying on its least liquid assets. The higher its ratio indicates the company is more liquid. How to calculate the quick ratio? Is current asset minus inventory divided by current liabilities. So the quick ratio for the Comfort Rubber Glove Sedia Berhad in 2018 is 2.20 times, in 2019 is 1.00 times, in 2020 is 1.23 times, in 2021 is 1.84 times. Meanwhile, for the Supermax Corporation Berhad, in 2018 is 0.68 times, in 2019 is 0.75 times, in 2020 is 1.10 times, in 2021 is 2.17. Activity ratio show how effective the firm is using its asset, and inventories indicate how well the firm convert their receivable. Average collection period is amount of time it takes for a business to receive payment owned by its clients in terms of account receivable, and the shorter its ACP is better. How to calculate average collection period is account receivable divided by sales multiply 360. So the average collection period for Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 78 days, in 2019 is 103 days, in 2020 is 79 days, in 2021 is 64 days. Meanwhile, average collection period for Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 52 days, in 2019 is 41 days, in 2020 is 58 days, in 2021 is 36 days. Total asset turnover measures the effectiveness with which a corporation uses all of its resources or assets to create revenue. It also aids in a promotion of sale income. As a result, a larger ratio is always preferable. How to calculate total asset turnover? Is sale divided by total assets. So the total asset turnover for Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 1.37 times, in 2019 is 1.04 times, in 2020 is 1.06 times, in 2021 is 1.20 times. For the Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 0.77 times, in 2019 is 0.83 times, in 2020 is 0.67 times, in 2021 0.97 times. Debt ratio shows the firm percentage degree that the firm is using borrowed fund for their operations. Debt ratio measures the percentage of total assets that are financed by debts. It donates the quantity of debt in the financial structure of the company. How to calculate debt ratio? Is total liability divided by total assets. The debt ratio for the Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 20.05%, in 2019 is 38.96%, in 2020 is 35.68%, in 2021 is 26%. Meanwhile, for the Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 39.83%, in 2019 is 33.17%, in 2020 is 51.61%, in 2021 is 33.81%. The percentage of total asset funded by long-term debt is measured by the long-term debt ratio. This ratio is used to measure how much risk the firm is incurring. A greater debt to equity ratio indicates that the firm is taking on. So how to calculate the long-term debt ratio is long-term debt divided by total asset. So the long-term debt ratio for Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 0.03 times, in 2019 is 0.20 times, in 2020 is 0.17 times, in 2021 is 0.07 times. Meanwhile, for the Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 0.26 times, in 2019 is 0.21 times, in 2020 is 0.10 times, in 2021 is 0.03 times. Profitability ratio measures the profitability of the firm at a given level of assets, sales and equity. Gross profit margin shows how much the firm is making profit of gross from the every sale made before taking into account the administration expenses. How to calculate the gross profit margin? Is gross profit divided by sales. The gross profit margin for Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 13.89%, in 2019 is 12.05%, in 2020 is 12.75%, in 2021 is 43.01%. Meanwhile, for the Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 98.02%, in 2019 is 33.15%, in 2020 is 52.91%, in 2021 is 75.77%. Return on asset measures the company ability and effectiveness to use its total asset in generating net profits, or indicates the management ability to make profit from the company's investment in asset. How to calculate return on asset is net profit divided by total assets multiplied 360. The return asset for the Comfort Rubber Glove in 2018 is 11.69%, in 2019 is 8.84%, in 2020 is 6.87%, in 2021 is 35.62%. Meanwhile, for the Supermax Corporation Berhad in 2018 is 1.79%, in 2019 is 8.25%, in 2020 is 15.09%, in 2021 is 53.45%. Cross-sectional analysis for year 2021 based on the current ratio indicates the company is having a good liquidity, and the liquidity for Supermax is better from year to year. The highest current ratio for both companies were in 2021 and has more ability to pay its short-term liabilities. Overall, CRG current ratio higher than Supermax every year. It shows that CRG is good in condition because doesn't have difficulty to pay their current liabilities using its liquid funds. Most of the Supermax quick ratio is low compared to the CRG. It shows that Supermax is in poor and bad condition because they don't have strong potential to meet short-term obligation without having to rely on least liquid asset, and they will not able to pay immediate obligation because a few of their quick ratio is less than 1. Supermax have lower number of average collection period from 2018 to 2021 than CRG, means Supermax are overflowing the sales and a fast collector when it's come to the debt owned by the client of customer. CRG has a better ratio in 2021 with 1.20 time ratio and has a higher ratio compared to Supermax. It shows that CRG has better performance, more effectively to produce revenue and utilize all its resource and asset. Debt ratio higher than CRG, even CRG curve is increasing and decreasing every year. It shows that CRG is good because face less risk of bankruptcy. Long-term debt ratio lower than CRG. It shows that Supermax is good because face less risk of bankruptcy. CRG has lower gross profit margin than Supermax. That means CRG is less efficient in controlling their cost of goods sold and generating gross profit. Supermax able to make profit using their asset as they have higher return on asset due to the efficiency in its asset utilization, while CRG measure less effective in producing profit and indicates the company can use its asset effectively to generate income. That it not a favorable investment opportunity at the moment. Recommendation: Supermax has low current ratio and quick ratio and need to find ways to increase its liquidity ratio, like pay off the current liabilities. Consider paying down some of the debt with some of the proceeds. It will lower current liabilities and help to improve the current ratio. The asset turnover for Supermax is not good because got low ratio and indicates that a firm should increase its production so the asset is more efficiency. CRG and Supermax should be analysis how the assets are used to improve the productivity of asset in the company. Reduce increasing in debt ratio, Supermax can list asset and sell its asset and then list them back. This lead can increase in the cash flow available to repay part of the debt. As for CRG, profitable ratio is more low and not efficient. If they run out the fund, they may have to sell asset and to fund their expenses and keep their business running. CRG should review all of the expenses that are related to cost of goods sold. Finally, this study revealed the analysis of financial performance for Comfort Rubber Glove Sdn Bhd and the Supermax Corporations Berhad from year 2018 to 2021. This research identified a company financial strength based on the set of criteria. 4 different sort of ratios were chosen and built. The same can be said for common size analysis, which look at how this company managed their asset, liabilities, equity from year 2018 to 2021. The result demonstrate that this company has done a good job controlling its finance in recent years. Supermax Corporation Berhad and Comfort Rubber Gloves Sdn Bhd are still able to manage and strengthen their financial well.